What's going on, everyone? This is Rich from K&N Motorsports, and today we got Quinn's 2010 Kia Forte Koup. This is a SX model, so it's got the bigger engine. And Quinn, what are we doing today?
Throwing an intake on this board.
Throwing this K&N intake on here. You know, guaranteed horsepower and torque.
Power. And make sure you get the torque in there.
Yeah. So, first step is remove the factory intake. You know, it's pretty straightforward. Here, Quinn, let me grab you some power tools to make your life a little bit easier. Well, I grab some pliers, or maybe I can just grab this with my bare hands.
Actually, I think it actually comes with all the door.
I can't get it with my hands. Pop that off of there.
You actually
Pop that off of there. Pop this and this off. Yeet. Yeet. Quinn. Yeet.
Let's clear what I gotta do, right?
I'm assuming this has to come off too. I'm not following the instructions. Eat. Probably gonna need that back, actually.
Do you open the top?
All right, let's see what we got in here. We got yeet. Return this product. Do not return this product to the store. We got some nice bulb seal. We've got some bracketry that looks like for your ECU. Another bracket to hold the pipe, I'm guessing. The pipe in question. One couplet, two couplets. Mark, we're using your Corolla as a workbench. I don't think you care.
Does it look like it cares?
Oh yeah. Velocity stack. And the filter.
For all the noises.
So from the looks of it, this has to come out. Then I'm going to unplug your ECU.
Disconnect battery.
That's okay. It'll live. Nope.
They make it seem like it's gonna be a lot longer in the video.
This goes on to. Can you stop? Can you not? Can you try to fly away?
Just put the box on.
I already did that part, but it was still working its way off. So. Put that on for now. I'll adjust it if needed. Alright. Remove the brackets securing the ABS pump to the inner fender.
Look, this guy.
Man, I hate to tell you, that's not an ABS pump. But that is what they're looking for, so. I don't know why they specified it as a bracket holding ABS pump. I've never understood with K&N is why don't they just pre-install these gaskets?
Can you grab me that?
No.
You're really good at filming that.
Way to film it at all. Ken's an expert cameraman. Okay, can you not do that? Yeah, I just never understood why they just couldn't do this part for you. Especially like they want you to do these crazy 90-degree bends with this stuff.
That won't make the rules, man.
No, I'm just saying. Like, you'd think a nice pre-made gasket would do the trick, but just like that. They want it installed into position. I guess now we can see what the heck.
I think that's supposed to.
So it's got to go get tucked under the master cylinder. You know what? This would be actually a lot easier to get your battery removed.
Is that what it does?
Yeah.
Okay. Most of that was just, I think, since the battery.
Yeah. Alrighty. So, gonna get this into here somehow.
Drive and turn on.
Yeah, that's ridiculous, man. Why would you ever want that? We'll just throw a carburetor on your Kia Forte.
If we're gonna throw carbs on it, I might as well get ICBs and.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. You know, we'll just throw a distributor, a carb. You know, that's how it works. All right. So on this, can go back into here like so, like something like that. Yeah.
Which I forgive for my camera shake.
Quinn, you gotta get some steady hands over there, man.
Listen, I'm pretty sure I have a mild case of Parkinson's, alright?
That's pretty bad, Quinn.
Well, welcome to life.
That one. There we go.
He's supposed to be flipped, maybe?
No, that's the way it shows it, because it can't go like that, because then the hoses are facing the ground. So it has to go like that. It just fits really tight. I don't like the way that fits. This is all about just making it fit, isn't it? I don't know how, but your engine is still warm.
It gets very warm.
Oh, I was expecting it to be a much bigger filter. like
longer?
Yeah, that's okay.
Makes sense now?
It all makes sense now. Oh, you bitch. All right, Quinn, go ahead and start it up.
Oh, no, we gotta.
Go ahead and start it up.
That's kind of why they also give you the.
Yeah, they give you the hose, but like, I don't like that hose. Factory hose, and we shorten it up just a wee bit.
All right, guys, we're gonna go on a walk while you guys do this, and then, yeah.
And just like that. I think that's a lot better than using that other hose. Boom. Alright, so that's all in. Let's throw the battery back in. Throw these bolts back in here.
Were they the big ones, or?
I think they're these ones. Yeah. Start her up. We go for a drive. We go for a quick drive, yes.
You might have to fix your seat.
Oh my god.
It's because I literally just.
What do I smell? Gasoline.
Oh no.
Alright, just had to get the foot down.
Sounds like K&N intake. I kind of want to hear what it sounds like a little higher in the rev range.
That's what I was getting at. We gotta find a good road. Which way is
Just
left?
turn right. Just do it, a little downhill thing. Just do it first. I want to hear what it sounds like. Oh, I like that.
That was nice.
That gives me like, it gives me some good like K-series vibes or B18.
Not as high revving as this,
No. But it gives a nice little intake sound. I dig it.
I want to find like,
There's no good roads.
well, like a main road.
No, it doesn't exist.
We're just trapped in this neighborhood forever.
Yeah. Alright, I'm pleased with that. Alright, well, that was installing an intake on a 2010 Kia Forte Koup. Stay tuned for more episodes on anything, really. I mean, this is random motorsports after all. Yeah, you can go right. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe Quinn will do something else to this Kia, or maybe we'll find another car for an actual project. Or a new daily. Who knows? Right, Quinn?
Right.
Alright. Catch you on the next one. Oh, God. Don't you love these roads?
'Cause I can't move on till I let go.